As we approach the year 2025, the world of trading is rapidly evolving with the integration of AI, automation, and big data analytics. The use of these technologies is revolutionizing the way investors make decisions, execute trades, and maximize profits in the stock market and crypto trading. By leveraging AI algorithms and machine learning tools, traders can analyze vast amounts of market data in real time and make informed decisions faster than ever before. This allows them to stay ahead of market trends and capitalize on opportunities that may not be apparent to human traders. Automation is also playing a significant role in trading, with the use of trading bots and algorithms that can execute trades automatically based on predefined criteria. This not only saves time but also eliminates the emotional bias that can often lead to poor trading decisions. With the right strategies and a tech-driven approach to trading, investors in 2025 have the opportunity to achieve greater success and profitability in the ever-changing world of financial markets. Stay informed, stay agile, and stay ahead of the game with the latest tools and technologies available.